Alright, lead the way, hot sauce. Man, you are on fire today. What? What the frick? I think this is a glitch because literally he won't stop. What the frick? Chill out. What the frick? Look. Hey, I think Mark has some cigs you can light up for him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna kill him now. Looks like I have a nice campfire for tonight.